Hi, my name is Dave Bird with Hammond Valve, and today I'm going to show you how to solder UltraPure low lead valve. After you cut your pipes to fit, you're going to want to deburr them, and you can use the standard tools that comes with your pipe cutters, or you can use a regular deburring tool. You want to deburr the inside of your pipe so there's nothing that can get into the valve. Once you have everything that fits up good, you want to clean all the oxidation off of your copper pipe. You can use emery cloth, you can use a plumber's brush, or you can also use a Scotch-Brite. You want to clean everything off of the valve so you have a very nice shiny surface. All the oxidation. You'll also want to do that on your solder cup. Make sure everything is clean. All the oxidation is off. Once you have done that, you want to apply your flux to your copper pipe and to your solder cup on your valve. For soldering, you're going to want to direct your flame away from the body at about a 45-degree angle. Really works well. This way that you're also heating the solder cup and the pipe, because the low lead material actually does not conduct heat as well as standard material. Once everything has cooled, clean the joint. And there you go. You have a nice solder joint on your low lead valve. My name is Dave Bird with Hammond Valve, and that's how you solder an UltraPure low lead valve.